Karbi Anglong's demand for autonomous state gains momentum. The demand for a separate Karbi Dimanchal state in Assam is gaining traction with leaders like Sri Amarsing Tisso, Honorable MP of the 3ST Parliamentary Constituency, advocating for the implementation of Article 244A of the Constitution. This article, introduced in 1969, empowers the formation of an autonomous state within Assam, completely with its own legislature and council of ministers. Tisso's efforts in the Parliament's winter session reflects the aspiration of the people living in Assam's hill districts. Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, Honorable CEM of KASC, has also been working tirelessly towards achieving statehood. The demand is rooted in constitutional safeguards provided for the hill communities of Assam, making it a matter of constitutional rights. The Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council (KASC) has been seeking greater autonomy, and Article 244A offers a potential solution. This provision allows for more autonomous power than the 6th schedule, including control over law and order. The demand for autonomy dates back to the 1950s with the movement for a small hill state and later an armed insurgency. Sri Amarsing Tisso's persistence has been instrumental in keeping the issue alive. As a former Karbi militant turned politician, his commitment to autonomy is evident. The signing of peace accords with militant groups in 2021 has also paved the way for greater autonomy and development in the region. The people of Karbi Anglong continue to await the implementation of Article 244A, hoping for a brighter future and a greater control over their affairs.
Sri Manish Jaiswal, Sri Amarsing Tisso,
Mike.
Amarsing Tisso.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
My-
Item number 252.
Honorable Speaker, sir, I, Sri Amarsing Tisso, to move for leave to introduce a bill to provide for the formation within the state of Assam an autonomous state to be known as Karbi Dimanchal, Assam Reorganization, Karbi Dimanchal Bill 2025.
प्रश्न है कि विधेयक को प्रस्तावित करने की अनुमति प्रदान की जाए। जो सदस्य इसके पक्ष में हाँ कहें, जो सदस्य विरोध में ना कहे, मेरे विचार में निर्णय हाँ वालों के पक्ष में अनुमति प्रदान की जाती है। माननीय सदस्य अब विधेयक प्रस्तावित करें।